Hello friends, welcome to my new video. In today's lesson, I will teach you on how we delegate permission to IT helpdesk or IT supports to like create the user and password or reset the password or remote desktop when IT administrator or IT manager or IT supervisor are not around. Let's imagine if you have a big company, your organization have many staff, and you have more than five IT, and then it have categorized like IT manager, IT supervisor, IT helpdesk, IT support. So we need to delegate some permission or some tasks to them. Like in this video, I will delegate my permission to reset the password or create the user to my IT helpdesk. Okay, now let's go and configure together. Okay, now first you need to go to uh, your Active Directory user and computer to see what are the user in our IT department. Like here is my OU, and here I have two user like uh, Liva.sa and Nuni Siwa. So my purpose is to delegate the permission to this user. Okay, that allow him to create user and also remote desktop. Okay, so to go this, first you need to right click on here, and then you have see delegate control. Okay, and then you click next. You add. I want to add Mr. Liva. Okay, Liva.sa. Okay, this you can also add both user or group. So I add user for example for you. Yeah, here is the critical point. You want Liva.sa to what? My purpose is only create, delete, manage user account. Okay, and also ask him to reset user password and force password and change at next logon. So for example, my user have forgotten password, so Liva he can reset the password if you take this one. Okay. In fact, there are a lot of things like you can generate and create group policy and also add role and service also here. But my IT help desk, I give only two of this permission. In fact, we also have like custom. Okay, custom permission. Okay, now I delegate only two of these. Click next, finish. Okay, and after that, you go to group policy management. I will try to write shortcut. And you should write gpmc.msc. Okay, this one refer to group policy management. And then here you go to your domain controller. And then here you can also create a GPO group policy, or you can apply it on the default policy. I will in this video I will choose default. Okay, edit, and then you go to computer management. You go to policy. You go to Windows setting. You go to security setting, and then local policy. Here you will see the user right assignment. Okay, you click on user right assignment. Here it will be have list. I will extend this one. Okay, so my purpose is allow log on locally. Okay, allow the Siva. Just double click. You can add user browse Liva.sa. Check. Okay. Okay. Apply. Okay. And also allow log on through remote desktop. I also allow him. Okay, I add browse Liva.sa. Here is you have more than to have that you can create a group, so for you to easy to manage. Apply. Okay, so after you do the group policy, you have to remember that we need to update our policy. Okay, cmd gp update /force. Okay, don't forget, if we don't want to restart your server to affect the operation, so we need to use gp-update/force or gp-update to apply the group policy. Okay, after that, I need the CY also has access to remote my desktop. I go property on my server. He is on my server, everyone. So I check remote setting. I select user. Here, if we don't add CY, he cannot remote the desktop. Okay, now we'll add him. CY Liva.sa. Okay, check. So when you add this, Liva.sa have permission to remote your desktop. Okay, to your server. Close. Close. Okay, so the permission has been set. Now I go to user. Here is my Windows 10 client, Liva.sa. I enter. Okay. So let's go together. Okay, so here is the username of the Liva.sa. We check together. We can go to server manager, this one, because we already delegate some user for him. Or we can type dsa.msc whether it can access or not. Okay. No, so we go to server manager. Server manager. Okay. Yeah, can go here. Find here. Okay, window server manager. Okay. Or we type administrative tool. Administrative tool, yeah. Okay, server administrative tool. Oh, so like the one of user have forgot the password. Now I use Siva, this user, to remote to the desktop and set the password for the user. Okay, now I MSC to remote desktop. Whether here is my remote desktop of my server. I connect and I enter the password of Mr. Levi because I already add the permission for him to remote. Okay, you see. So you see this one is the remote desktop for Levi. Okay, and then we go to reset the password. I go to server manager. Okay, or let's try dsa.msc. Okay, and then I use Liva.sa because I already delegate the permissions to him. Okay, yeah, he is Active Directory user and computer. Now let's say I reset the password one of the user here. Can or not? Together reset the password. Okay, and if this user, I also give permission for him to create new user. Okay, I put Han Yi Yong. Okay, I put Han Yi dot Yong. Okay, and then I put the password to create the user. Okay, so this user can create, delete, and also reset the password and also remote the desktop. If I delete, can or not? Okay, I will delete for you. Okay, So this user have permission to modify active directory user and group. So what about the some other, like I go to server manager, okay, whether you have permission to edit on server manager or not, like remove row and feature. Okay, let's see together. If he have the permission to add role feature, so my permission that I give to him is not correct. Now I go to manage for testing. Okay, I want to add like, okay, LDS, LDAP. Okay, test this one. Whether can or not. Next, install. Okay, you see, view installation and cannot. Feature installation fail. So this user can only give the permission, and also not give the permission, create, delete, and modify the user. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson. I hope that you find this video useful. See you in the next video. Bye bye.